In this lesson, we will discuss sort, unique, union, intersection, and few other functions of NumPy. So first of all, you have to import NumPy as NP. I am going to execute it. So then I have made one variable. The name of that variable is unsorted, right? This is the syntax np.random.randn, and this function we had discussed in our last lesson. When I will execute it, there will be two rows, right? But there will be a negative and positive number. Rand n means random number but included negative as well. See here, this is the negative number, this is the negative number. From here it is the 2D array. This is the first row and this is the second row, but numbers are mix and match. If you want to sort it, right, I say no, starting from the lowest to highest or the ascending order. Yes, we can do it. So here the syntax will be np.array, and then here I have given this variable unsorted which we had created here, and it was, and the variable name is sorted. So the function is sorted dot sort. When I will execute it, so you will see negative 1.5 is first, and then negative 4.45 and so on, right? Here I will show you the comparison between the old result and the new result. So this is the sorted and then this is the unsorted. When I will execute it, so you will see negative 1.575. This is the sorted list and this is the unsorted list. Right, now is the unique function. How the unique function works for us? Suppose this is np.unique function you have to use, and then here you can see we have 10 here, 10 here, 10 here. Similarly, I have used 22 times and then 62 times, and the variable name is unique underscore function or simple f. When I will execute it, the output is only C. All the unique numbers are there, even though we have 3 times 10, but in the output we have only one time. Similarly, 20 and 60 we have two times, in the output we have only one time. So this is the unique function. Now is the very interesting sets which we have learned in our childhood. Here I have made two variables x and y, np.array. My first array is, this is the integer and these are the strings. That is why I have used quotation. Similarly, these two are the integers and these are the strings. When I will print x and y, you will see the output is, suppose this is my one set, x set, and this is my second set. Right, now if I want to find out the common elements between these two things, which we usually say intersection, right? So we have to use the syntax np dot intersect. Do not write down intersection complete. Intersect 1D and then x and y. So see here what result we will get. 20 glass and keys. See, 20 we have here, 20 we have here. Glass we have here, glass we have here. Similarly, keys we have here and keys we have here. So intersection means common between these two. Now if you want to find out the union, right, what the union does actually, it will give us the output, all the commons. Similarly, these three are commons and whatever is remaining, right, I will run and show you. So see here, 20 glass keys, 20 glass and keys we have, and whatever is remaining between these two, it will give you here output as well one time. Right, now is present in x, not in y. We want to find out the members or elements which are present in x or not in y. So you have to write down np set diff 1D and x and y. You have to write down x first and then y. Execute it, 10 and computer. Present in x, not in y. I will show you what is the result. 10 and computer. See here, this 10 and computer. These are in x but not in y because these three are common. Now if you find out present in y but not in x, then you have to write down simple y first and then x. Set diff 1D, same syntax, but y you have to write down first. Then these 100 cup and desk are present in y but not are in x. Now here is element of x also in y, right, but in boolean. So executed, so false, true, false, true, false. What is the meaning of this? I will show you. First is false, true, false, right? Elements of x also in y. These, see, first is here, this one is here, so this is false. And then 2020 is true, then computer, and this one is false, right? So it will give you in the result in the form of boolean. Similarly, elements of y also in x, only you have to switch the position y and x. Here see in y, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you will see here 1 2 3 4 5 6. So start from here, 110. So this is false, right? 20 and 20 true, cup and computer false, keys and keys true. So in this way you will get your output in the form of boolean. I hope these functions are clear. Please practice it, and thank you.